Hello everyone, and welcome back to Zeus Tech. Hello everyone! Today in this video, we're going to be learning about parameters for functions. So, before we begin, if you haven't watched my past videos about functions, I highly recommend watching it before watching this if you don't have any knowledge in Python, as it's really important for you to understand what functions are before we continue on with this. And also, if you like the content that I post, please leave this video with a like and subscribe, comment down below how it was, and turn on the post notifications to get notified whenever I release a new video. And with that said, let's begin. So, let's do something and let's quickly create a function. Hello. So that. And print. And we can just print hello. And we can call the function like this. And if we run it, it prints hello. Simple function. Not much to it. But say that we want to tell the user what we want to put in. Look, if you see print functions, now we can put stuff in here. The stuff like when do you see all these values, optional, and all that stuff? These stuff are called functions. What functions are that they're basically input that the function uses. So let's just quickly make one. A is our function, and you see here, parameter A unfilled. So it automatically wants you to do a function. And let's do something. Let's put A here and print hi. Now if we run this, it'll print hi. Hi. Sorry, I had a voice crack there. So basically, what that was is that we made a parameter A, and we printed the parameter. We don't know what the parameter is yet, but whoever is using the function after specified hi, and then we printed hi. So this is a simple example of a parameter, and we can also do something like A and B. Okay, and this is make a adding function, a function that you is pretty important. So let me just delete this. Now let's make C equal A plus B. So C is A plus B. So whatever the values of A plus B are, C equals the both of them combined. Now if we print C, now we print C, and we call adding function, and we specify two parameters. You see how it's did A and B. Now we can do 5 and 5 just for a simple example, and it prints 10. An adding function adds two numbers together. C equals A plus B. So I'd recommend writing down this program right now so you can make your own programs. And so this is important. And let's do something. Let's create something a little more advanced. Let's create a grade program. So I'm gonna ask the user for let me just put here the screen for now. So we're gonna get 3 marks. Mark 1, Mark 2, Mark 3. And then average equals Mark 1 plus Mark 2 plus Mark 3 divided by 3. That's how you calculate average, just so you know. And then we're gonna do if average is above or equal to 60, print you passed. Else print you failed. And then let's just call grade. Let's have 100. Say that this is math, social studies. I'm pretty bad at it, so that's not my actual marks. Let's put an example just to see how it goes. 20 and 89. Who knows? Now if you run this, you passed. So yeah, this is an example of functions. You can test out this with the program. And with that said, I'll see you next time.